moment, Charlotte and Sophie are here. Look, Charlotte's here. She's not sleeping this time. I did it! And also Buffy and Georgia are coming, and they're just taking photos of each other.
Oh, for God's sake, no!
It was a dogfish or something.
I do hate animals.
That murderer. I'm doing the zoom of shame.
Oh, don't let
Somebody bring a normal phone charger on the group.
Somebody bring a normal phone charger.
Too late.
Yeah. Oh, you know those videos and it's like they're singing and they're like, and they're like, noom noom, like.
Georgia's here! We're all here apart from Buffy. I think Buffy's cycling down. Right?
She comes in a helmet, I'm gonna cry.
Georgia!
Hello.
Hello.
Hili Verity. Is that her name?
Yeah.
Hello.
This is Georgia. She's cool. She's half South African.
And half English.
How you doing? We've got a crab.
Who wants crab? Who wants crab?
And then is...
Oh! Sophie!
Elsa, I'm sorry for all of this animal murder.
It's like scaly, like skin.
Buffy's here. So it started raining and we all ran inside.
I was telling a story and I got really embarrassed and went like that and all of my winged eyeliner went.
But yeah, we're all just sitting here.
Bye!
Bye!
Bye!